love is kind. If you're patient enough to wait, dumating yung time na sana ako naman yung bigyan ng asawa ko ng ganito or whatever, you have to be patient. Kasi at some point, marirealize din niya yan. Hindi dapat siya dinedaman. Pero these rules, sabi nga, there's exception to every rule, right? So may mga kalala tayo na hindi siguro or hindi nila pinapractice yung love language, but they're still together even after 25 years, 30 years. Because what's very important, okay, even alam na natin to, ako alam ko rin to. Hindi ko rin to ma-demand sa family ko. Hindi ko rin ma-demand sa tatay, nanay ko. Pero what's important is yung love that you're giving to others, it's something na you cannot ask for anything in return.
Yeah.
So I believe that's true love. And then nakakatulong yung presence